Okay, so fun fact, I am someone who is constantly on the go, always busy, always having something to do, on to the next project, next task, next thing, that I have to constantly remind myself to slow down. It is definitely an intention that I have been incorporating into my month's goals, and by doing that, I decided to spend a little bit more time in the kitchen. So finding new recipes to try, recreating some of my faves, and here I will be sharing one of my recreations that I have discovered recently. It will be matcha cashew milk. So to begin, you want to take 1 cup of raw cashews. You can soak this in water for about 5 hours or overnight. When the cashews are finished soaking, you want to drain the soaking water and then add the cashews and about 4 cups of clean water to a blender. So this is a no strain cashew milk. So you want to make sure that your blender is pretty strong and has really consistent blades. So blend it on high for about 2 minutes until smooth. And you can add in about 2.5 teaspoons of your matcha powder, about 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamon. I also like to add in hemp seeds to the mixture to add a little bit of nutritional value. Once you mix that all up, you have your nice creamy matcha cashew milk. From here, you can store in the fridge and keep for about 3 days and enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and take a moment to like the video and maybe leave a comment below. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.